Muskegon is on the move, but more than 20,000 adults in our community are at a virtual standstill because they can't read well enough to fill out a job or housing application, follow healthcare instructions, or read to their children. Muskegon County is facing a literacy crisis. If you think illiteracy doesn't affect you, think again. The impact of low literacy ripples throughout our community. It reduces our tax revenues. It increases our healthcare costs. Low literacy increases the amount of crime happening in our neighborhoods and the number of our community members who are incarcerated. And because the children of adults who cannot read are 5 times more likely to be illiterate, it's a problem that is passed down for generations.
Read Muskegon is a county-wide organization. We support the core urban areas of the community, as well as the rural areas like Ravenna and Fruitport and Whitehall as well. So our programming isn't centralized to one part of the county. We actually bring our programming to the individuals that are in need. Poverty and illiteracy is a generational problem, and the programming that we have in place is going to stop the cycle of generational illiteracy.
So the National Center for Families Learning, our mission is to eradicate poverty through education solutions. So we really work at providing services for families, both parents and children, and providing the 2-generation approach to eradicate poverty. We believe that systemic issues require systemic solutions, and poverty is a systemic issue.
When I first started with Reading Muskegon, it was in November, and I was at a 3rd grade reading level. And I just stuck with Miss Sarah through it all, and we ended up accomplishing a lot in our success. And I'm proud to say that I'm at a 6th grade reading level right now. Miss Sarah is a blast, and she teaches a lot of different things in the class that you would use out in the real world. It's just not a lot of book work. It's more of hands-on that you could use in the real world, and it's very fun.
We established about a year ago or 2 years ago now that we wanted to be the hub for literacy in Muskegon County, and I think we've accomplished that. We've positioned ourselves to be the go-to organization when it comes to all things literacy, and I think that we're going to now see continued growth in that. We're partnering with regional and national partners now. We're building coalitions with other literacy groups around the region to find more ways to impact literacy rates.
For over a decade, Read Muskegon has been delivering literacy instruction where people live, work, and find community at no cost to learners. We are bringing together organizational leaders and community members from throughout Muskegon County. Now is the time, Muskegon. How can you help? Become a volunteer, refer someone that could benefit from one of our programs, or make a financial contribution to Read Muskegon. Investing in a more literate Muskegon is a gift that changes lives and communities, now and for our future generations.